Everyone thinks the best-selling slot car sets for kids are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Whoopi Racing Track Set. The Whoopi Slot Car Race Track Set is an exciting option priced at $49.99. What caught my attention is the variety of track shapes it offers, including a double-layer overpass. If you want a thrilling racing experience for your kids, this is worth a serious look. With a length of 18.4 feet, it's longer than most, allowing for epic races. The cars can hit speeds between 300–370 mph, and the automatic lap counter makes sure you never lose track of the action. Plus, the inclusion of 2 remote controls means that it's perfect for friendly competitions between kids or family members. Now, some people complained about the assembly taking longer than expected. Here's the thing though, if your kids are excited about racing, a little assembly time can be a great opportunity for bonding and teamwork. So it's not a deal breaker, especially for families that value hands-on learning. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a meaningful gift that encourages family interaction. But skip this one if you're looking for something that's completely plug and play without any setup. Product number 2, Atlasic's Double Loop Set. Next up is the Atlasic Slot Car Race Track Set, which comes in at a budget-friendly $26.99. The double loop feature really stood out to me, making it a fun choice for younger racers. If you want something that's easy to set up and packed with action, this one's worth checking out. This set includes a 160-inch track complete with 2 controllers and 4 high-speed cars. The exciting loops and twists not only entertain, but also help kids develop key skills like hand-eye coordination and strategic thinking. The high-quality construction ensures that it can withstand rough play, and the glowing headlights on the cars add a cool touch. The dual-controller setup means kids can enjoy racing against each other, making it perfect for sibling rivalry. Now, some reviews mention that the cars can sometimes get derailed on tight curves. I get that this can be frustrating, especially during competitive play. But honestly, that challenge can actually teach kids about control and strategy, so it might not be such a big deal after all. This is ideal for younger kids who are just starting to get into slot car racing. But if you have older kids who crave more speed and complexity, this might feel a bit simplistic. Product number 3, Kmxal Racing Adventure. Coming in hot at $49.98 is the Kmxal Slot Car Race Track Set, which offers a unique combination of features including a slope and a flashy LED bridge. If you want an action-packed racing adventure, this is definitely worth considering. With its various track configurations, including a U-shaped slope and a 360-degree circular track, this set provides a dynamic racing experience. The cars can reach speeds just like the previous set, around 300–370 mph, and the lap counting function keeps the thrill alive. It's also designed for 2 racers, encouraging friendly competitions. Plus, the stylish design of the cars makes them appealing to kids. However, some buyers mention that the assembly instructions could be clearer. I totally get that this could lead to some initial frustration. But once you get it set up, the fun they'll have racing will quickly overshadow any assembly hiccups. This set is perfect for families looking to create lasting memories while racing. But if you're after something with a more straightforward setup, you might want to look elsewhere. Product number 4, Fedinac Exciting Race Track. The Fedinac Slot Car Race Track Set, priced at $39.99, is another solid option. What I loved about this one is how it appeals to both kids and parents, making it a great bonding activity. If you're after something that offers both fun and family time, this one's for you. The automatic lap counter adds an extra layer of excitement. With a dual racing setup, it promotes healthy competition among kids, making it a fantastic way to engage with them. Plus, its easy assembly and stabilizing magnetism design help keep the cars on track during high-speed races. Some users pointed out issues with the speed control being a bit touchy, which can be tricky for younger kids. Here's the thing though, once they get the hang of it, it's a great opportunity for them to learn about control and precision. This is perfect for families who want a fun and interactive activity. But if you're looking for something that's completely hands-off, you might find this one a bit challenging. Product number 5, Fedinac High-Speed Thrill. Finally, we have the Fedinac High-Speed Thrill Slot Car Track, also priced at $49.99. I was really impressed by the realistic racing experience it provides, especially with the added LED effects. If you want a track that enhances the racing atmosphere, this is definitely worth a look. It can reach the same impressive speeds as the others, and the dual controller setup is perfect for competitive play. Furthermore, the enhanced magnetism helps keep cars on the track, which is essential for maintaining the excitement during races. However, I did notice some complaints about the cars occasionally derailing, particularly during sharp turns. I totally understand why that could be annoying. But it also encourages kids to practice their racing skills, which can be a positive learning experience in the long run. This set is ideal for those who want to recreate a more thrilling racing scene at home. But if you want something more straightforward without too many bells and whistles, you may want to consider other options. So there you have it. From budget-friendly options like the Atlasics to the more feature-rich sets from Whoopi and Kmxal, each has something unique to offer. If you're looking for fun, bonding, and some healthy competition, any of these sets will keep your kids entertained.